What's up, guys? We are back in the garage because it's that time of the year again where we only work in the garage because it's freaking cold. Actually, today it was 60.
It was beautiful.
Global warming.
It's crazy.
Ooh, that does smell good.
I'm telling you, it smells really good. It's crazy that 60 is considered beautiful weather.
Beautiful weather, right? That's a Midwest thing. If you guys aren't from the Midwest and you're watching this, 60 is beautiful. But today, we are going to be doing stuff with the Lexus again. We're going to be cleaning the interior. The leather is a little old and cracked. So we're going to be doing a treatment on it so it doesn't split open and get any worse. As well as just trying out a few interior cleaners on it. I bought the TJ Hunt Special. I went and bought Meguiar's. Meguiar's Gold Class Rich Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. It says one easy step. We're going to see how easy it is. See how difficult we can make it. And then Angel's holding... Whoa, that's bright. We got some new spotlights to try out. Angel's holding Chemical Guy's Inner Clean. And he's just drowning my interior in it.
It's all nasty here.
Yeah, I know it is. But we got some new lights that we're trying out. They're 5,000 lumens. It's super cool.
That's gross.
Angel's going to clean my interior while I do the seats. I'll put a piece of tape on the seat so we can do a little before and after. We'll see what it looks like, man. Let's do it.
Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, just trying to let the cleaner soak up and do its thing. That's probably the worst part of the car right here. Oh, that's gross. Ugh, that's real gross.
Alright, guys. So this side is going to be the before. This side is going to be the after. We're going to do a quick little treatment on it with the Meguiar's Gold Class Rich Leather. And we're going to see how it looks. Be right back. Meguiar's dog. What is this? Alright, guys. This is after 1 or 2 layers. I mean, we still got a lot of visible cracks. But it seems like it's a little shinier. We're going to pull this back to see if there's actually a hard difference. And I think there is. There's a little bit there. You guys can kind of see the stripe from right where the tape was. So we're going to apply a couple more, see how it looks, do the rest of the seat, all the corrugated stuff, and see how it comes out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but see like the big blotches and whatnot? It looks like somebody like shook a soda up and let it like explode back here. And the leather treatment isn't actually like sticking to it. Like I have to kind of scrape all these little spots off before I'm going to be able to treat this. Still a little new to the is300 game, but ooh, we got a table. Angel's sitting back here eating. No, he's not. He's on keto. Shit, guys, how like the little suede's coming up. When you get this, there's a simple way of getting rid of this. All you need is one of these guys. These are what you use to get like the little knots off of your sweaters when you wash them too many times. So all you're gonna do is flip it on. It's just a little razor. You can hear it just chewing up all those little bits. You don't gotta press hard or anything. You got most of it. Alright, guys, we're about to go bust a mission now that the car's all cleaned up. We're going to go pick up some super fresh air fresheners for this thing. One of our homies put us onto it. What are you doing, bro?
Just cleaning my sweater, man.
Alright. We're going to go pick up some air fresheners. Angel's going to finish cleaning his sweater, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. I scared myself.
You scared the fuck out of me, and now you're moving the seat.
Oh.